Connecting to your dedicated IP on macOS only takes a moment, and in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to connect. A dedicated IP from NordVPN gives you smoother speeds, fewer CAPTCHA prompts, and a more secure experience overall. And if you'd like to get one for yourself, you can use the link in the description to get 74% off plus 3 extra months. Before we begin, make sure of two things. First, you've purchased a NordVPN dedicated IP. Second, you've activated it inside your Nord account. Once that's done, you're ready to go. On your Mac, open the NordVPN app. In the sidebar, scroll down until you find Specialty Servers. Hover over Dedicated IP and click the three-dot menu that appears on the right. From there, select your dedicated IP server, and your Mac will start connecting automatically. If you prefer, you can also use the search bar in the top left corner. Type in your dedicated IP address, wait for it to appear, and then select it. Once the status shows connected, you're all set. If you want to double-check, open your browser and visit NordVPN's DNS leak checker to confirm your active IP address. And that's all there is to connecting your dedicated IP on macOS. If you'd like to get your own dedicated IP, feel free to use the link in the description for 74% off plus 3 bonus months. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.